Welcome back to Car Flair. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper van, a versatile and compact solution for travelers who want the comfort of a motorhome in a more maneuverable size. Toyota has crafted this camper van with practicality, style, and innovation, making it an excellent choice for couples, small families, or solo adventurers who dream of life on the road. On the outside, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper van presents a sleek and modern look. Its streamlined body, bold grille, and LED headlights give it a strong presence, while its compact size makes it easy to drive through both city streets and winding country roads. Large tinted windows allow natural light to brighten the interior while maintaining privacy, and optional roof racks or solar panels add extra functionality for long journeys. Stepping inside, you'll immediately notice Toyota's smart use of space. The interior is designed to maximize every inch, creating a cozy yet highly functional environment. The lounge doubles as a dining area, with comfortable seating that easily converts into sleeping space. High-quality materials, soft lighting, and efficient storage solutions create a warm, welcoming atmosphere that feels like home no matter where you park. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped, featuring a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and stainless steel sink. Cleverly designed cabinets and foldable counters make cooking simple and efficient, proving that you don't need a massive space to enjoy home-cooked meals on the go. Sleeping arrangements are flexible, with a rear bed that comfortably fits 2 adults, along with additional convertible sleeping options in the lounge for kids or guests. This makes the Toyota camper van perfect for both weekend trips and extended adventures. Bathroom facilities include a wet bath setup with a shower, toilet, and sink combined in a compact yet practical space. This ensures that even in a smaller motorhome, you still have the convenience of a complete bathroom. Technology plays a key role in this camper van. The driver's cabin is equipped with a digital display, touchscreen infotainment system, and smartphone connectivity. Toyota's advanced safety features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking make traveling not only enjoyable but also secure. Performance-wise, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van is powered by an efficient engine that balances power and fuel economy, making it ideal for long road trips without constant fuel stops. Its smooth handling and compact frame allow for easy maneuvering, whether you're cruising highways or navigating tight campsites. Optional all-wheel drive versions add confidence when exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. Sustainability is also a highlight, with eco-friendly interior materials, low-emission engine options, and available solar panels that support off-grid adventures while minimizing environmental impact. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van is the perfect balance of mobility, comfort, and Toyota's legendary reliability. It offers all the essentials of motorhome living in a more compact form, giving you the freedom to travel with ease while still enjoying modern luxuries. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing motorhome adventures.